Today's tutorial is for these patio curtain tiebacks. We originally used simple string to hold our curtains open, but the string would fray or get knotted. I wanted something cute, functional, and budget friendly, so I made these Velcro tiebacks. They make it really quick to gather the curtains and just as easy to open them back up. And they're a great scrap buster project. I used leftover fabric from another patio project to make these. I have all the supplies listed on the screen and you can find the specifics linked in the description. I used outdoor fabric so they held up to weather, but if you're making these for indoor curtains, feel free to use whatever fabric you like. Cut one piece of fabric at 2¼ inches by 18 inches for each tie back. I didn't use fusible interfacing, but if you're using some for extra structure, cut one piece that is 1/4 inch smaller on all four sides so it fits neatly inside the seam allowance. If you are using interfacing, iron it onto the wrong side of the fabric, centered so there's 1/4 inch border all the way around. Fold your fabric right sides together lengthwise, matching the long edges. Sew along the edges at 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a gap for turning. Trim the corners and any bulky edges. Turn the tieback right side out and gently poke out the corners. Remember to press your seams for a neat finish. You can either top stitch all the way around at 1/8 inch seam allowance, which also closes the opening, or simply sew the opening closed and skip the top stitching for a more minimal look. Choose whichever finish you prefer. Next, cut your Velcro to the size you want. I cut mine to 3 inches, but 2 inches works too, depending on how much adjustability you want. If your Velcro is too wide, you can trim it down to fit. Mine needed trimming, so just a heads up in case you run into the same thing. To attach the Velcro, make sure the Velcro pieces face the correct direction so they meet properly when wrapped around your curtains. Position them on each end of the tieback and sew them down securely. In the video, I show how I line everything up before stitching. And that's it, a super easy sewing project that's functional, cute, and budget friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful or inspiring, it would mean a lot if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below if you have any thoughts. It's always great hearing from you. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.